Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC is now very deep in this support zone for the larger wave 2 as well. So yeah, we can still not confirm any reversal and price action is still bearish in the short term, even though I don't want to give up completely the hope for a bullish reversal. But as I already mentioned like many weeks ago, I'm a bit concerned. And this so far, yeah, still shows in the price, right? I mean, it's not great what we see here. And let's talk about the bullish wave count, which is still technically possible. However, we've seen quite a substantial decline already. And the bulls have failed to, to follow through on the bullish potential. I mean, I have to say, I've been tracking bullish counts and I think we had a couple of different bullish counts and both of them failed. So that's a signal. That's a signal for me as well that here, we have to be a bit concerned, But overall, the message is consistent and has been consistent over recent weeks that it's really come down too low to be let's say, reliably bullish, and that we should be careful until we really see, let's say, a reversal signal. And one of those reversal signals might be a break above the trend line, but certainly a first impulse to the upside on a smaller wave degree, which isn't showing yet. So you can still see that in the bullish wave count, we have a wave 1 to the upside, which topped here in August 22. We could also say the wave 1 topped here in February 23. Doesn't make a great difference. It will make a difference to support region. In the second scenario, the price would already have broken below support. Again, okay. Not great. So we give it a bit more space, and overall the next invalidation point is down here. That's also the next, I mean the next support is at 41 cents. We can pay attention to that level, 41 cents. That's the 78.6 retracement of this wave 1 to the upside. Quite disappointing. As you can see, the market has really just been moving sideways for the last couple of years. Really just been moving sideways. There was an opportunity here. I mean, it did perform, which was great. It moved down, it performed again, and that was the opportunity. It could have held a higher low and then go, but it failed, and that's the problem. Okay, the bulls didn't turn up. The potential was there, the wave count was there, the structure was there to support it, but it failed. Okay, showing that Elliott wave is not a crystal ball, but it's a great risk management tool, because when support levels broke, those were our warnings. Now what I'm watching for now is next support at 41 cents, and then obviously the 31.5 cent level as invalidation point from June 22. Looking at the shorter time frame, let's go to the MATIC short-term chart. So there is of course a more bearish scenario as well, but it doesn't make a difference because in the short-term price action is bearish anyway. So we're just watching for some kind of a signal that we're turning around, which at the moment it's just not there. Okay, going to the 4-hour chart, you see we have a little bit of a, let's say, some upside momentum, and it's about time, right? But obviously the correction has been so substantial that we need to see a little bit more than just a few green candles. Minimally, I'd say we want to see a break above the last high at 57.5 cents. Better would even be a sustained break above the trend line, even though that's only giving us 2 touch points, but still it looks quite relevant. Nevertheless, it would go along with a break above that sort of 57.5 cent level. That's the last high, and that needs to break. If we talk about Fibonacci resistance, the earliest or the first resistance area that's really relevant here is this one between the 50% and the 78.6 retracement level. Really the key level here is 54 cents. Getting above that will mean we're likely attacking this July high. It's the July high at 57.5 cents, and breaking above it could get us certainly interested. Yeah, I mean, it might be exciting then, because then we will have taken out a previous swing high, which we haven't done since March. So that's really key, taking out a previous swing high in this decline and breaking above a trend line. So that could be interesting, but until then, yeah, just be a bit careful. I mean, is it possible? See, it even broke below that, unfortunately. Even that, there could have been a wedge pattern here that didn't even show, but that broke to the downside. So that's a bit of a sign of weakness there. But we'll see. Overall, trend is still down, watching for reversal patterns. I'm observing this, or I'm watching the charts every day, but so far the trend is still down. Be on the side of caution, not short-term bullish yet. And while there is still bullish potential, we should wait until the shorter time frame also aligns bullish with the time frame alignment. Having that larger time frame and the shorter time frames aligned, that is when things should click. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.